Hello, hi friends, मैं हूं सनी. So we are going to show you that how you can see your battery level in the current stage. Alright, first of all I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel if you are on the first time visit my profile. Okay, so we are going to show you how you can see your battery life in the Mac laptop. It can be a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any kind of the laptop. Yeah, all right. So we have to go in. We have to click here in the Apple icon. We need to go to about this Mac. The pop-up will be come up. We need to click again the system reports. Yeah. So here you can see all the details regarding this laptop. The model name is MacBook Pro. This is my M1 chip MacBook Pro 2021 model. All right. So here you can see in the down the power. Yeah, here it is. So you can see all the details here as well. This is the battery information, the model information. This is the model, the serial number of the battery, the device name, all the details are here. Yeah, this is the very important things and very useful for us. The charge information, the battery's charge is below the critical level. It says no, means the battery is in good stage. Yeah, okay, it is fully charged. No, the charging, no, I'm not currently, it's not into charging mode. The state of charge is percentage, it's 79, and we can verify. Yeah, perfect, this is 79. Yeah, so we have to check this health information of this battery. So currently cycle count is 375. I think this is good. If it will be go around 1000 cycle counts, then we need to change our battery in our laptop. So maybe you can change by free of cost if your computer and hardware supported, you have the purchase additional supports from the Apple services. Right, you can see the maximum capacity of 90%. This is the capacity of the battery currently. All right, so you can see here. Yeah, one more thing I would like to show you, how you can save the battery life cycle. Yeah, sorry, we need to go into system preferences. We need to go into battery. How we can save our battery life. You need to check if this options turn display off after. It will be if it is set it. Never, you need to change it to the minimum level. I have set it for 15 minutes in my computer. If it is never set it, you should be changed to the minimum minute. After, if the you need to change it to minimum, you need to set the 1 minute to 10 minute or 15 minute max. So I'll set 15 minute here and you lock it again. Yeah, thank you, bye bye.